How to fix Microsoft Outlook crashing when reading Uber receipt emails. Here are 2 tips you may try. 1. Run the following commands as admin. cd %program files %common files /Microsoft shared /click to run office ec2 client.exe /update user update header version equals 16.0.15225.202882. Follow Microsoft's workaround. //support.microsoft.com/n-us/topic/outlook-uber-hyphen/when hyphen viewing hyphen uber hyphen receipt hyphen emails hyphen and some hyphen other hyphen emails hyphen with hyphen tables hyphen d 1e-682-8-4680-8-480-EA170-5 DCVCA